Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Pratisha Agarwal and today we will be doing triangular seating arrangement. So stay tuned till the end of the video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's quickly start the video. So this is a reference question, students, and came in SBI PO. So let's see how to solve this question. Six persons are sitting around a triangular table. Persons who are sitting at corner are facing towards the table, and the persons who are sitting at middle of the table are facing outside the table. So your arrangement will be somewhat like this. The people at the corner are facing towards the table, and people who are sitting in the middle of the table are facing outside the table. Okay, let's see what is given next. A sits at one of the corners of the table. So students, you can consider any corner. I have considered this corner, so let's place A here. Okay, the next it is given M is an immediate neighbor of A. So either M is sitting to the left side of A or to the right side of A, means there will be two cases. So let's draw the second case. Here A will be placed at the same position as in case number 1. Okay. So considering case number 1, A is facing towards the table. So this side will be the right side of A, and we are going to place M to the right of A in case number 1. Okay. In case number 2, we will place M to the left side of M. Oh, sorry, left side of A, because we don't know whether M is to the left of A or to the right of A. Next, it is given two persons sit between M and B. Okay, in case number 1, between M and B there are two persons. So count from the right side of M, 1, 2 means B will be placed here, and from the left side of M also 1 and 2 means B will be placed here at this position. When this type of statement is given that there are two persons between M and B, this type of statement is given, then you have to check both the directions, that from both the directions there should be only two people. Okay, between M and B. So we are going to place B here at this place. See, from the right side of M also there are two people between M and B, and from the left side of M also there are two people between M and B. The same thing we are going to apply in case number 2. To the right side of M, count 1, 2 means B will be placed here at this position when we see from the right side of M. Now from the left side of M also count 1, 2 means B will be placed here at this position. So in case number 2, B is placed here at this position. From both the directions there are only two people between M and B. Okay, let's see what is given next. C sits immediate right of B. So in case number 1, B is facing towards the table, so this side will be the right side of B, so C will be placed here at this position. In case number 2, again B is facing towards the table, so this side will be the right side of B, so C will be placed here at this position. N is to the immediate right of O. O does not sit at any of the corners of the table. So O is not sitting at any of the corner, means we cannot place O here at this position, case number 1. So we will place O here at this position. Okay. Now N is to the immediate right of O, and to the right of O you can see this side is the right side of O. So N will be placed here at this position in case number 1. Okay. Now in case number 2, O cannot come here at this position. So O will come here at this position. So suppose if O is here at this position in case number 2. Sorry, let me erase this. I have not drawn it properly. So let's suppose O is here at this position. Now to the right of O is N, and here in case number 2 you can see to the right of O already A has occupied that position, means that case number 2 is wrong. It is not up to the conditions which are given in the reference question, which means that case number 1 is the required seating arrangement. Now let's see the questions. So this is the first question, students. Who sits second to the right of B? So this is B and it is facing towards the table. So this side will be the right side of B. So count 1, 2. So the second person to the right of B is A. Let's check the answer, whether it is option number B or not. See, we got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Who is sitting between A and N when counted from the right of A? Okay, right side A is here. Now right side of A means this side. So between A and N there is only one person, which is M is sitting. So only one person is sitting, or you can say M is sitting between A and N. So the answer for this question should be option number D, M. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Who sits immediate left of B? So this is B, this side is the right side, and this side is the left side. So immediate left of B is O. So the answer should be option number C. Let's check the answer. See, we got the correct answer again, students. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like this video. If you have any question regarding anything, you can comment me. I'll try to solve it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Thank you.